Dear students, good morning. In the first video, I taught 5 problems, a set of 5 problems which are related with the objective, that is JEE Mains or CET. Now I want to continue this 6th problem. First 1 to 5 solve and the 6th problem. In the 6th problem you see sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 by 5 with one condition is there. That is 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi. Then the value of tan theta is equal to dash. So options are given. Solution. You see, here a 2D formula is there. 2D formula means a shortcut, a method to solve the problem. One formula is there. A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C. Then A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to root of A square plus B square minus C square. It is a combination of sin and cos. A, B, C are coefficients, constants, numbers. 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta is equal to 5, like that one. At the time we can find A sin theta minus B cos theta expression value. It is root of A square plus B square minus C square. You see, in the place of cos sin is there, in the place of sin cos is there. Plus means minus, minus means plus. Okay. Similarly, given condition is it is sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 by 5. A is 1, B is 1, C is 1 by 5. Then by using this formula, sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root of 1 square plus 1 square minus 1 by 5 square is 25. A square, 1 square, 1. B square, 1 square, 1. C square minus 1 by 5 square, 1 by 25. By simplification, we get it is 49 by 25. It is 7 by 5. 2, 25 is 50 minus 1 is 49 by 25. Of course, it is arithmetic. Usually, you can solve it. So now we have two equations. One is sin theta plus cos theta value 1 by 5 is given. And sin theta minus cos theta, its value by using the 2D formula is 7 by 5. Now you see, we are considering and adding these two equations. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 by 5. And sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 7 by 5. I am subtracting minus plus minus. Sin theta cancels. It is cos plus cos is 2 cos theta is equal to 1 by 5 minus 7 by 5. It is minus 6 by 5. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. 5 is LCM. So cos theta value is minus 3 by 5. You will agree? So it 2, 3 is cancels. 2 cos theta value is minus 6 by 5. Then cos theta value is minus 3 by 5. Okay, na? Okay. I will write here. Please try to understand. You see, again I will. At last we get cos theta is minus 3 by 5, which is negative, less than 0. Cos is negative. Then theta is in second quadrant. Okay, na? Cos theta value is negative value. When cos theta is negative? In the second quadrant. Of course, in third quadrant also cos is negative. The trigonometry means related with the triangle. Triangle means 0 to 180, less than 180 degrees. Only the angles of triangle are to be fixed. But if you go to theta belongs to Q3 means it is more than 180. So in not mention theta belongs to Q3. It is only Q2. Therefore, you see, I want to draw the triangle, right angle triangle. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. It is 3 and 5. Here also you see that. Cos theta means minus 3. Don't write minus 3. Why? Because here it is sides length. Length is always positive. Don't write minus 3. It is 4. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we can get to 4. Now, what about the value of tan theta? We are asked tan theta value here. Tan theta is opposite side. 4 by adjacent side is 3. 4 by 3. Okay. But theta is in the second quadrant. So, it is minus 4 by 3. Don't forget. This is important. You see, because theta belongs to Q2. So, we get minus 4 by 3. So, answer is this one. Here, the important concept is this formula. It is to be noted. Okay, now, please note it. Now, I am going to start with the 7th problem. You see, the value of the expression root 3 cos 20 minus 4 cos 20. Options are 1 minus 1 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. You see, we don't know the value of cos 20 and cos 20. In our trigonometric value table, we know sin 20. Is there sin 20? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay, now for 20, for 40, 50, it's not possible to find. But the question is given like that. We use some technique. Technique is very important. You try to record it in your mind. You see, as you know, sin of 60 minus 20, sin of 60 minus 20 is sin 40, no? Yeah. Sin 40 means it is sin 2 into 20 degrees, huh? Yeah. That means it is sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. Will you agree? Sin 60 minus 20 is nothing but 40, sin 40. Again it is written as 2 into 20. It is sin 2a. Sin 2a means 2 sin a cos a. Here it is by compound angles. Sin of a minus b. It is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, na? Okay. Right. Now, observe. It is sin 60 means the root 3 by 2. It is cos 20 minus cos 60 means 1 by 2. It is sin 20 as it is. Okay, na? Once again, we are considering sin of 60 minus 20 is sin 40. That sin 40 is written as sin 2 into 20. It is sin 2a means 2 sin a cos a. Okay. Now see, it is root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20. Here 2 is LCM. If we send it to that side, 2 into 2, it is 4 sin 20 cos 20. Will you agree? Yeah. Now, we divide both sides with sin 20. This root 3 cos 20 by sin 20 minus sin 20 by sin 20 is equal to, it is 4 cos 20. Why? Because We are dividing with the sin 20. Sin 20, sin 20 cancels, we get a cos 20. Or otherwise, you assume this sin 20 is sent to this side. It divides here, cos 20 by sin 20 and sin 20 by sin 20. You see, it is root 3. It is cot 20, cos by sin is cot 20. It is 1 is equal to cos 4 cos 20. Now it is root 3 cos 20. The RHS come to this side. 4 cos 20 is equal to this. Minus 1 goes to that side. It is a plus 1. Now what we require to find, you see, the given expression is same. And its answer is 1. So the first option is correct. Okay now? Now I want to start the 8th problem. In the 8th problem, we have to find the real root of 8x cube minus 6x minus 1 is equal to 12. In our syllabus, you see, we can find the roots of the quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, we can use the factorizing method or formula method or completing the square method. Whatever it may be, it is up to quadratic equation. But here it is cubic equation, not x square. X cube is there. So it is somewhat different. Try to understand it. I am going to solve the problem. You see, the given equation is 8x cube minus 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. You see, by taking 2 as common from the first two expression, two terms, it is 4x cube minus 3x. And I said the minus 1 to that side. You may get some doubt. Sir, you are taking only 2 as common, what about x? Yeah. The doubt will be clarified later. You see, on what purpose I am not taking the x means, you see, if x is equal to cos theta, now you see there, x is equal to cos theta, we substitute here. So it is 2 of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to 1. Okay now? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta means a formula is there in the trigonometry. So it is 2. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is cos 3 theta is equal to 1. Yeah, okay now? In order to get this cos 3 theta, I have to take x as common here. So that is the reason. Now, you see, cos 3 theta is 1 by 2 na? This 2 goes to that side is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but cos 60. So here 3 theta is equal to 60 degrees after removing the cos. That implies it is pi by 3. 60 means pi by 3, right? It is a degrees, it is a radians. Now, theta is equal to pi by 3 by 3. It is pi by 9. Okay, na? 3 theta is pi by 3. So, theta is a pi by 9. Pi by 3 by 3. 3 into 3, 9. So, its answer is the second option. Okay, na? So here theta means this one. Okay na? So take like that only. Yeah. Now the 9th problem. You see, the maximum value of cos square cos theta plus sin square sin theta. Maximum value, minimum value of any function is there. For any given function, we can find the maximum value and the minimum value. We know it in the trigonometry for sin theta and cos theta, minimum value is minus 1 and maximum value is plus 1. We know it. But it is a combination of sine and cos. You see, the beauty is there. It is a cos square of cos theta, not simply cos square theta or sine square theta. Cos square of cos theta plus sine square of sine theta. It is somewhat different. You see, options are given. We'll try to solve. Solution. Let me assume this expression f of theta be taken as f of theta because theta is the variable. It is cos square of cos theta plus sine square of sine theta. Okay, na? Right. You see, we assume theta is equal to 0 degrees. F of theta is cos square of cos theta plus sine square of sine theta. If you substitute theta is equal to 0, then it is cos square of cos 0 plus sine square of sine 0. You agree? You see, cos square of cos 0 is 1, we know it. It is sine square, sine 0 is 0. It is cos square 1 plus sine 0 is 0. 0 square is 0. So it is at last cos square 1. It also can be written as 1 minus sine square 1. But here 0, we are taking 0 for an expression which is in the cos and sine. 0 gives the minimum value. I am not telling. So which is minimum. It is a minimum. Now you see, if you substitute pi by 2, then it is cos square cos pi by 2 plus sine square sine pi by 2. It is cos square cos pi by 2 is 0. It is sine square, it is sine pi by 2 is 1. Cos 0 is 1, 1 square is 1 plus it is sine square 1. If we substitute theta for pi by 2, then we can get the maximum value. So here it is the maximum value. So of course our question is to find a maximum value, but I want to teach the minimum value, how to find the minimum value. If you substitute 0 for theta, we get a minimum value. Pi by 2, we get a maximum value. So here it is asked only to find the maximum value. So 1 plus the sine square 1 is the maximum value. But 1 minus sine square 1 is a minimum value. Very clearly it is given. Yeah. Okay. Next, 10th problem. In this video, this is the last problem. We are given that if sine of pi cos theta is equal to cos of pi sin theta, what is the value of sine of 2 theta? Okay. You see, solution. Sine of pi cos theta is equal to pi of cos of pi sin theta. Here sine and cos will not cancel. If in the place of cos, if sine is there, we can. For that purpose, I want to write this cos something is sine 90 minus sine something. See, cos alpha is sine 90 minus alpha. Sine 90 minus alpha is cos alpha. So this cos something is written as sine of 90 minus sine. 90 means pi. So here in the LHS it is sine pi cos theta. Sine cancels, we get the pi cos theta is equal to pi by 2 minus pi sin theta. You see, observe me, I am sending the minus pi sin theta to this side. It is plus sin theta is equal to pi by 2 now. Yeah. Now all sides pi is common, cancels. We get cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Pi cancels. 1 by 2 is there. Now I want to squaring on both sides. Both sides. Squaring on both sides. We get to see it is cos theta plus sin theta whole square. That is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. Try to understand. Cos theta plus sin theta, I am making square on both sides. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. There in RHS 1 by 2 whole square is a 1 by 4. You say cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 4. This 1 goes to the side. It is sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1. It is minus 3 by 4. Okay, na? Minus 3 by 4 is the answer. Fourth option. Okay, na? Is it clear? Yeah.